I'm Dr. Laura Fernandez. I'm an interventional cardiologist from Texas. I am currently practicing in Texas, and I have introduced BioSlife Slim to my practice. I just had a patient that really touched me approximately 3 weeks ago. He came with significant shortness of breath, and he couldn't breathe while he was walking doing minimal activities, and his weight was 495 pounds. And I was really touched by the fact that I didn't have much what to offer him in a short period of time. And I said, why don't you try BioSlife Slim and see how fast we can move with that, but because weight loss is really what you need. And he realized it, and he took it, and he came back in a week, and I couldn't believe it. He lost 16 pounds in 1 week, and he was so happy, and he really understood at that point that obesity was what was really killing him. So he is not going to quit taking, and I told him we're going to get to the best body mass index that you can ever get, and we will succeed.